It's Ethan.
Hello. Ethan, eat. Hello.
Kaylee, move your big fat freaking brain.
Ate the daisies he was supposed to give to Kaylee.
Here, wait. Come here, children. Let's go.
Ethan must eat.
Come here.
This tree to survive.
No, the least he said, eat grass. Eat your baby. Eat grass.
You want to eat a really rotten pumpkin?
You want to eat pumpkins? You want
Come on, child.
You want to eat my pumpkin? No. No. Be a big boy.
Collecting things for Ethan to eat.
Hey, really? You want to eat the glizzy cotton? Want to eat the glizzy cotton?
Where did you get cotton from?
I
retard.
love the glizzy thing.
I saw somebody put this in their mouth. I'm not doing that.
Here.
That might have been me.
I wonder what.
It's a tree bark, you weirdo.
No.
Here.
Paper.
Here, lick this rock. Oh, shit. Lick this rock, child.
Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Making Ethan Die.
Lick this rock.
How am I still alive?
Lick this rock.
I already did.
Do 20 push-ups.
Eat the onion
No,
grass.
I don't want to.
Eat onion grass. Eat onion grass.
Onion.
Where's the onion?
Getting one. Oh my god, you had to eat this whole handful.
Please don't.
No.
Onions.
Where's the onion? Oh, it's an onion.
No shit, Sherlock.
Eat juicy leaves. Eat juicy leaves.
He ate an onion.
Don't know how I know.
Oh. Ethan just ate an onion. Hey, Ethan. Come lick this pole. Come lick the pole.
Oh my god. Somebody come get her.
Oh god. Cut the clip. Yeah, me too. Here, Ethan, you want to lick this and get a splinter?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, Ethan's licking a piece of wood that can probably give him a splinter. Ethan, climb this tree.
No.
Climb the tree.
What's that?
Disease called? Is it called?
Hi, we're kind of in the middle of a YouTube video where we're making.
Oh yeah.
Here, Ethan, eat this part of the onion.
I have herpes.
Oh, nice. I thought you had hippies.
You know what herpes is?
No, does he have hippies disease? Here, I dare you to lick one of these bricks. I dare you to do 10 push-ups and eat a bite of grass on the last one.
So where was
This is so cute to put in like a
Why is nobody else dying with me?
Because it's your show.
Oh,
There's Katie.
I'm the star.
You want to eat onion grass with that?
Yeah, we're making Ethan die. I told him he has to do 20 push-ups on the last one. He has to
Record this.
eat a bite of grass.
Record this, Maddie.
Yeah. We're about to enter the wild exhibit of wild onions.
Are you actually
The onions.
Maddie, record this. Record this.
Recording.
So, guys, apparently this is healthy for you, so let's just.
I don't know. She looks
Oh.
like a homeless person. Oh, I know.
Who looks like a homeless person? Me?
No.
She's just wandering around. She's loitering. Oh my god.
No. Ethan. I know why.
Ethan, eat up. Bush.
Eat up.
Here, we have you a petal of food.
Nope.
Okay.
not pizza.
I dare you to eat one of these rocks. He said I dare you to bite one of these rocks.
Ethan, eat a tomato.
No, those are poisonous.
Okay.
No, they're poisonous.
I want to.
Smell
I don't
poisonous.
want to have to do this anymore.
Bye, children, because you know, we're out of food ideas. Everyone say bye.
Bye.
Cigarette.
I love
Bye.
Eat a cigarette.
Say bye.
Here, eat a
Say
cigarette.
bye.
No, I'm good.
Bye.
Here, say bye, Star.
Bye. I'm the star.